Alright, so here's the 2021 Alpha Wolf. On the side right here, there's going to be the storage that goes all the way through. Everything that's in this unit comes with it. So those are actually essentials for the camper that will come with it. Here's the other side to the door. Here's your slide. Here are your outdoor speakers. We also have a cable and TV hookup and extra plugins right here. We have the outside kitchenette. We have a double-eyed stove, ice maker, mini fridge. And then coming up into the unit, we have these nice curtains, blackout curtains, so if you're trying to sleep kind of during the day. We have the slide with the dinette. We have a fireplace back there. Here's the pantry. Lots of space back here as well. Then around the unit, we have our kitchen, residential sink and faucet. Then we have our stove with 3 eyes on it as well. Nice backsplash. Microwave, refrigerator. Then into our bathroom, we have a nice big shower. Space in the bathroom as well. Then in our bedroom, we're going to come in here. We have storage under our bed. We have storage on the side of the beds right here as well. Great place to hang clothes, everything like that. And this is the unit. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope to talk to you soon.